too badly beat up. Bit over painted, dull, grotty, grubby. Definitely needing some attention. A few little dinks here and there, nothing too major though. Everything looks in order, nothing really badly broken. So yeah, let's see what fun we're going to have with this one. Yeah, someone's had a little go with a sharpie at the top there, a little bit of fun. Bit of customising. Anyway, let's get it open. There's no rivets or screws on the bottom, it's just a little tab at the front of the cab. Just pop it open. I like these ones, they're so easy. Little wiggle. There she goes. So inside you've just got like upper deck, lower deck. It's basically just two interiors stacked up on top of each other. Pop them out. It's a bit grotty and grubby. Good wash will bring them up nice. No cracks, no seats missing. Small cab. Not to it really. Pretty easy. Let's just check the main body. A lot of sharpie there. Some kid had a bit of fun. Let's get the pliers and straighten these few little kinks out. And then we'll be on to stripping it. It's not too bad. Straightens out pretty easy. Don't think we're going to get much better than that now. It's not a bad little model actually. Good casting. With these small models, they've got some detail on them. It's crazy. Anyway, let's get it off to get the paint off into the caustic. As ever, start off with boiling water. And as I always say, be careful with this stuff guys, caustic soda can do you some harm. So always like safety gear up, goggles, gloves, respirator, extractor fan, common sense basically, because this stuff gets on you, it will really hurt you and cause you some damage. So be safe. In with the caustic. I always love this part. Nice little reaction going now. Here we go. The paint doesn't stand a chance. So we'll leave it in here for a couple of minutes. Get the old trusty toothbrush going and get that paint off. Get the last of the caustic out there. Which not want that. And here's the trusty toothbrush. Let's have a little stir about, see what we've got. I love this method of getting paint off. It's so much easier than using a paint stripper. It's cleaner. I think it's more efficient as well, to be honest. It costs like £1.29 for quite a huge tub of caustic. You get lots and lots and lots of vehicles out of it. I know other people do different ways, and all the power to them if that's what they prefer. But I just think this method's so much easier and cleaner. Look, it's been in there, what, a minute and a half, and that paint's guaranteed all going to come off so easy. There's no mess to clean up, you just tip it down the drains, it cleans your drains out, because that's what it's for anyway. So it's great. It's just got the danger element, but it's fair enough. But if you're careful enough, it's okay. Anyway, let's carry on cleaning this interior. A bit of scrubbing. I've got the other stuff there, this little washing machine tub. Basically all that's in there is hot water and a bit of a washing up liquid. And a little bit of elbow grease. And it comes up a treat. So yeah, if you're returning back to the channel, thank you very much for coming back and nice to see you again. If you like what you see, press the like button please, and if you've not already subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. We'd like to welcome you to the community. But if you're here just to view it, there's no pressure, there's no need, so it's all good. If you've got any questions as well, don't mind, just put them in the comments. I read every comment and I reply to every single person that takes the time to comment on the videos. So if you've got any questions or requests or whatever, you know, don't be shy, just pop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Also, if you've got any requests for vehicles you'd like to see restored, again, just put it in the comments and I'll do my best to try and we can go from there. So let's get this dried off, see what we're working with properly. It's come up nice actually, it's really clean. These wheels are so small, I'm terrified of losing them. Yeah, it's come up really nice, I'm quite happy with that. So, this is the model after this little bit of elbow grease with a 000 Y wool and a little bit of elbow grease. It comes up really nice. Really good result. And the interiors come up and the bottoms come up. It's come out really nice. It should paint well, this one. Nice clean surfaces. Oh, another quick look. Get the little tack coat on. There's everything, layers. Take your time with it. Nice even spread. Just build up the layers slowly. So I'm just going to do a quick tack coat on this just to show you. I don't want to be boring you with every little tack coat and layer up on layer up on layer up on layer. So I'll basically just show you the first pass, and then I'll bring it back for the reveal to show you what we ended up with. Yeah, I'm using the Vallejo. I don't know the exact red, it's just Vallejo red to me. But really good product. I love Vallejo paints. That's if I'm pronouncing it right. I know it's Vallejo or something. I'm not too sure. To me, it's Vallejo. But yes, really nice paint. Goes on well and comes up lovely once you put your clear coat on. It's really nice. Very opaque. So there's the first coat. I'll just let this dry off and then I'll crack on. So just remind you of what we started with. A battered old bus, black Sharpies, and then this is what we ended up with. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, as I say, it'd be nice, leave a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. And we'll welcome you to the community. As I say, any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it, as I said. And hopefully I shall see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.